everybody is doing blessed and amazing. I'm just coming at y'all today just to share a quick weekend getaway trip that me and my husband took. It was a couple months ago, but I still had the footage in my phone, and I'm like, well, why waste it? So I'll just put it out and share it with my family. So just giving quick little clips, video pics of what we did while we was in Fort Lauderdale for the weekend, and just want to share this to you guys while I'm getting my recipes and cooking videos together. Why not put out some other little stuff? So yeah, it's just not going to be cooking all the time, y'all. It's going to be a little bit of traveling, a little vlogging, little reviews, then we gonna have some cooking too. So hope y'all enjoy.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if you was holding me. Choose the right, but it will bring up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arms feel. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart.
Wait a minute, I'm videoing. What movie that's been on? So this on where the dude just been walking. The drink's hitting down. When I get back home, I'm changing the 2 chins into 1. Okay? Instead of 3 chins, it's gonna box down to 2. Just gotta cut out. I ain't doing too much. I ain't doing so much. kick into it. He ain't gonna get me like he get me on that cruise.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Boom. Please, Lord, let the Uber that we get this time not try to kill us. Please, Father. That's him.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you're late. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck.